Nigerian music superstar Davido made a gesture to the legendary singer Bright Chimezie a few days ago after taking inspiration from Chimezie's classic song English for Key, which influenced his recent collaboration with Omale. In a heartwarming phone call, Davido expressed his admiration for Chimezie's work and invited him to Lagos.
Latest hits now that I just did with Omale. I used inspiration from your song English.
Okay.
Yeah, so I told them to play it for you. Yeah, so it's trending everywhere, the whole world. Yeah, so I'm still around. I'm still around for a bit. So I was telling them maybe we'll get you to come to Lagos. We can meet. To be nice.
Okay.
Yes.
That would be wonderful. That would be great.
Oh yeah, now. Okay, sir. God bless you, sir. So make sure you listen to the song tonight.
Definitely, I'll do that.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Fast forward to this week. The iconic moment came to life as Bright Chimezie arrived in Lagos to meet Davido. In a video shared online, both artists were seen in high spirit, smiling, dancing, greeting each other and enjoying the special moment. The meeting was a joyful occasion for both as they caught up and celebrated the union of two generations of Nigerian music. We'll continue to supply you more entertainment news updates. Please keep watching Naija News TV.